Hi guys, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone dialer. Then choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, mark edit icon, and select add picture. And here you can choose something from your gallery. You can mark camera and grab a picture right now. You can select one from Google Photos or one from illustrations, whatever you prefer. Okay, let me pick this one, whatever that is. Okay, so this one is, it's a bit, I believe I do have a weak network connection, so let me pick something from mine photos. You can rotate it, zoom it in, out, it's working all the same with the photos that are yours or from those stickers. Mark choose and then save. And that's it. As you can see, it is added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.